G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's March 20th, 2023. This is the Bitcoin update. Since our last update on this vertical line, the price has rebounded off that resistance area, came back down, and looking here on the hourly chart, it rebounded off that, came back down, and then it broke through finally late end of close last week when it closed up near the 28.38 level. So you can see here I've also drawn a Fibonacci extension, and it's currently resting on the 61.8% extension on the Fibonacci on that little range there. So I'm going to leave this resistance area there, that resistance line there for the time being, because it may come back and rest on that potentially. If it's going to retrace back, you'll notice on the CCI 1500 it's quite high from the moving average, and we always see a pullback towards the moving average over time as it progresses. You'll see that on the daily as well. The daily moving average is broken to the upside, and so was the hourly. So potentially good for long trades and entering long. I've also added this fractals on the 1 hour time frame if you're trading the hourly. Again, you can apply this to the daily, 4 hourly, or whatever time frame you're trading. So whenever the bar breaks above, whenever the moving average of the CCI is in an uptrend on the daily and also on the hourly, and whenever the bars break above the fractals, like it did in that case, for example, you would have entered the trade there. Now you can exit the trade in various ways. There's thousands of ways to enter a trade and thousands of ways to exit. I'm going to leave the exit up to you, but you can basically use moving averages. We can put a monetary or percentage gain to exit when you see that trade execute in your direction. So again, you would have had an entry potentially there, another entry there potentially, and then another one up there, and then more recently up there. Now you'll notice there's a bit of a pullback at the moment. So if the price does keep going and breaks above that next fractal, that'll be another potential entry level. Again, an exit ideas could be breaking below these moving averages, or even breaking below the fractals. But again, I'll leave that up to you to decide how far you want to take your profits, and I suggest don't be too greedy. If you're making nice little gains, you get out of the trade. But to understand how to properly trade using the average down approach and some trading ideas, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and like the channel, and I'll see you in a future video.